Welcome to the remarkable world of mind-blowing machines. In this exploration, we delve into the realm of advanced robotics, innovative transportation, cutting-edge manufacturing, groundbreaking medical machines, and awe-inspiring space exploration devices. First on our journey, we encounter futuristic robots. From manufacturing bots that tirelessly assemble intricate devices, to healthcare robots that assist in performing precise surgery, these machines are expanding the boundaries of what we once thought impossible. Then there are humanoid robots, eerily mimicking human movements and interactions. These incredible machines are not just imitating life, they're enhancing it. Next, we zoom into the world of innovative transportation. Here we find high-speed Hyperloop and maglev trains that levitate on magnetic fields, reducing friction and enabling unbelievable speeds. Then, gaze upon the flying cars and drones, the stuff of science fiction now becoming science fact. These are pushing the boundaries of personal and cargo transportation, transcending the limits of roads and rails. Our tour then takes us to the realm of advanced manufacturing. Marvel at the revolution brought about by 3D printing, transforming manufacturing processes and creating complex structures with the push of a button. Then witness fully automated factories where robots handle intricate tasks, carrying the torch of industry into the new age. We then delve into the world of mind-blowing medical machines. Robotic surgery systems offer precision and minimally invasive techniques, while advanced imaging technologies provide detailed insights into the human body, helping doctors diagnose and treat with unprecedented accuracy. Finally, we soar into the cosmos with space exploration machines. Mars rovers and space probes journey to the final frontier, sending back invaluable data. Next-generation spacecraft designed for human and robotic exploration are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, taking us further than ever before. To summarize, these mind-blowing machines are not just tools, they are shapers of our future. Each one, in its own way, is expanding the horizons of what we once thought possible, pushing us to dream bigger, reach further, and strive harder. So, take a moment to marvel at these wonders of technology. Reflect on how far we've come, and how much further we still have yet to go. Share your thoughts, your favorite machines, and your dreams for the future. Because in the world of mind-blowing machines, the only limit is our imagination. Thank you, and until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep pushing those boundaries.